name is Arielle Obodo of Topaz class. I am here to recite a poem titled A Boy and a Girl Child. Thank you. Two precious gifts, so pure and so bright, a boy and a girl, a shining light, their laughter and smiles, a joy to behold, a treasure to cherish, a heart of gold. Their tiny hands, so small and so fine, hold our fingers and still our hearts mine. Their first steps, a milestone to share, a moment of pride beyond compare. Their curious minds, a wonder to see, a blank canvas waiting to be free. Their dreams and aspirations, a hope to hold, a future to shape. As parents, you guide them through every stage, through every fall and every age. You wipe tears and soothe their fears and whisper words of love and cheers. You watch them grow from day to day, and they will find their own way to be brave, to be kind, to be strong, and make their mark where they belong. Their smiles, a reflection of your own, so deep, a love so deep, a bond. Thank you.